Welcome to Minecraft Redstone Elevator, Beyond the Basics, where we'll explore the fascinating world of redstone mechanics and create innovative elevators. Let's start by understanding the basic concepts of redstone mechanics. Power levels and components are crucial for building effective redstone devices. There are several types of redstone elevators, including piston elevators, water elevators, and bubble columns. Each has unique features and uses. Now, let's get hands-on and build a basic piston elevator. Follow these steps closely. Once you're comfortable, we'll explore advanced piston elevator designs, including multi-level and hidden configurations that will surprise your friends. Using redstone comparators can greatly enhance your elevator's functionality. Let's dive into how to incorporate them. Don't forget that functionality can go hand in hand with aesthetics. We'll look at how to create visually stunning elevators. Even the best designs can run into issues. Let's troubleshoot some common problems with redstone elevators. For an efficient elevator, incorporating redstone timers and clocks is essential. I'll show you how to integrate these timing mechanisms. Now that you've learned the basics and some advanced techniques, I encourage you to get creative with your own redstone elevator designs.